Have been through a lot this past few years. Our kids, no exception. And a lot of the impact is on things that you cannot see.
Well, now there is a first of its kind facility that could address that. We're talking about a center dedicated to a child's mental health, and it is desperately needed. Take a look. In 2021, more than 100,000 Georgia students said that they felt depressed, sad, or withdrawn. That's according to the National Institute for Mental Health.
Atlanta News First reporter Don Shipman live at the Children's Healthcare of Atlanta in North Druid Hills. Don, good evening.
Good evening, Sean and Rick. Now, the Zalek Foundation recently donated this 10-acre plot of land just up the street from that facility. The goal here is to renovate two buildings right here. They're going to renovate the two buildings, creating a first-of-its-kind mental health care center for children here in Georgia.
I think families are desperate.
An alarming number of young people are struggling with their mental health. Here in Georgia, nearly 1 in 4 youth ages 3 to 17 have one or more emotional, behavioral, or developmental conditions. This according to a recent report by Georgia State University. Children's Healthcare of Atlanta is hoping to help by opening a new center dedicated to the mental health needs of kids.
They want to help their children and they don't know how to help their children. And mental health is different than a physical condition.
The difficulty with navigating the system.
The new facility, slated to open next year, will offer families a centralized location for mental health care. The doctor heading up this new program says the current system doesn't work. It's too spread out.
It makes it very hard for kids that need comprehensive approaches to treatment to getting all of the aspects of care that are really going to get them better.
Children's, which is also in the process of building a brand new 460-bed hospital down the street, also in North Druid Hills, has been planning this children's mental health center for about 3 years now. They've already hired more than 135 behavioral and mental health professionals, with plans to hire an additional 50 psychiatrists, nurse practitioners, and social workers in the coming months.
The people that we've brought in over the last 2 years, we've learned so much from them in terms of how do you help kids, but we have to find better ways to do that.
And they feel that this facility will be the final piece to that puzzle. By the way, this center will be for all children, regardless of their family's income. I'm told that Children's accepts Medicaid. We're live here in North Druid Hills. Don Shipman, Atlanta News First.
Don, thank you.